So, hindi ako napag-prepare ng breakfast today, but fortunately, meron akong ganito na nakastock. So, this one is from Mood Food Market. It's a Mood Food bar, peanut butter flavor. And good source of fiber siya. So, I think this will be filling enough for me for today's breakfast bago ako mag-work. So, sa isang box, merong 4 pieces, 4 bars for energy. Medyo binabawasan ko rin kasi yung coffee ko. So, ito yung ginawa kong alternative para magkaroon ng energy in the morning. From Mood Food Market. And it's peanut butter flavor, which I love. And I love it kasi hindi rin siya masyadong matigas. Perfect. Dahil naka-braces ako. Also, sakto rin pala kasi kailangan ko na rin mag-work agad. Kaya, okay na to. Quick breakfast lang. So, kamusta naman kayo? Magchikahan tayo dito. So, comment below kung ano yung nilook forward nyo today. Since it's Monday. It's the start of the week. So, anong nilook forward nyo? Mine is, kagabi gumawa ako ng mayak eggs. Finally, ang tagal kong hinuhold off yun kasi ewan ko, wala akong time. So, finally, gumawa ako ng mayak eggs since lagi ko siya nakikita sa For You page ko. So, finally, ginawa ko na siya kagabi para lunch ko today. So, gumawa ako ng lunch pero hindi ako nakagawa ng breakfast. So, ayun. Yun yung nilook forward ko. Sana masarap. Okay. Yun lang. Ang sarap nito. I love it. And of course, hindi rin siya masyadong matamis. Just 6 ingredients, pero lahat natural. So, it's very safe. And high in fiber nga. So, yeah, I love it. Okay, so ayun lang. Happy Monday!